Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Azhar and today I am going to teach you what you are looking for. But what about me? Can you please just subscribe my YouTube channel? It's okay if you don't. Now let's move on the topic now. Today I am going to tell you how you can create your free Gmail account. The procedure is same if you are creating your Gmail account on mobile or whether on laptop. If you are on laptop, go on your browser Google Chrome like this and search create Gmail account. You will see the option here. Click on the option and you can create your Gmail account on laptop. But if you are on mobile phone, you have to look for the option Gmail. So I will click here on Google products. Here I can see the option Gmail. I will click on the option Gmail. If you are a very new user and you are creating very first time your Gmail account on mobile, then you have to click, you can see the option add account or create Gmail account. Then you can create from that option. But if you already created different Gmail accounts on your mobile phone, then you have to open it from this option. When you will click on this option, you can see your other Gmail accounts and you can see add another account. When you will click on add another account, you will see the options Google, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo and others. You have to click on the Google option. When you will click on the Google, you have to wait for a few seconds, maybe 2 to 5 seconds. Oh, it's taking more, maybe 10 seconds. Okay, if you have already created any account, you can simply log in your account. But if you want to create new account, you have to click on create account. When you will click on create account, after that click on for myself, and here in this option you can create your Gmail account with your name, or even if you want to create by any other name. So let me just put your first and last name, and after that click on next. Simply you can write your date of birth here, and click on next. It's taking time, you have to wait for it. Okay, they are suggesting me of email like this. I have few options here. I can choose these emails, but I can also create my own. If you want to create your own account, then you can just simply click on this account, create your own Gmail account, and you can create your account by your choice. But right at this moment I am going to click on this option and I'm going to take this account. I will click simply next after choosing that account, and right here I am going to write the password. I'm going to click on the option next. After that you have to simply click on skip option. Click on this option next. After that click on I agree. And here it is. I think it's already created. Here I can show you. You can see the account is added here already. So when I will click on this account, you can see my new Gmail account is it's already done. So this is the very simple method to create Gmail account. You can create your Gmail account by this method. And if you like this video, please hit like button and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.